Who is stopping you? Yourself. Welcome to our channel, Ingenue Spirit. Procrastinate the procrastination. Turn delay into action. So, what we're gonna discuss today is very important. It is a part of life. Procrastination is something we have all faced. Putting off tasks, delaying decisions, and waiting for the perfect moment to take action. But what if we could flip this script and procrastinate the procrastination instead? Instead of giving in to delay, this concept challenges us to delay the urge to procrastinate itself, creating a small window to take action and build momentum. By adopting this mindset, you can turn hesitation into progress, overcoming mental roadblocks and achieving your goals one step at a time. Understanding the mindset. Understanding the mindset behind procrastination is the first step to overcoming it. Procrastination often stems from fear of failure, perfectionism, or something like feeling overwhelmed by the size of a task. It is not laziness, it is a mental block. By recognizing these triggers, you can reframe procrastination as a habit to be managed rather than a character flaw. The idea of procrastinating the procrastination taps into this understanding, allowing you to pause, break tasks into smaller steps, and take action without being paralyzed by overthinking or self doubt. Practical strategies to procrastinate the procrastination. Practical strategies to procrastinate the procrastination focus on simple, actionable techniques to delay the urge to avoid tasks. Start by breaking tasks into small, manageable steps and committing to just 2 to 5 minutes of action. Use timers to create urgency and deadlines to maintain focus. Reframe tasks as challenges or experiment to reduce pressure. When procrastination creeps in, try an if-then strategy. If I feel like avoiding this, then I will tackle a quick, related task. These small changes shift your mindset, create momentum, and make productivity feel achievable. Shifting perspective. Shifting perspective is crucial to making procrastinate the procrastination work effectively. Instead of viewing procrastination as a failure, see it as an opportunity to understand your habits and triggers. Recognize that small steps matter more than perfection, and that starting imperfectly is better than not starting at all. By focusing on progress over perfection, you can reduce the pressure and reframe task as opportunity for growth rather than burdens. This mindset shift transforms procrastination into a learning tool, helping you stay motivated and productive. In conclusion, procrastinating the procrastination is a powerful way to break free from the cycle of delay and inaction. By postponing the urge to procrastinate and taking small, intentional steps, you can overcome mental barriers and build momentum towards your goals. It's not about eliminating procrastination completely, but learning to manage it by shifting your mindset, breaking tasks into manageable pieces, and focusing on progress over perfection. Start today. Delay procrastination, not your potential. If you want video on a specific topic, comment it down. Keep loving, subscribe to our channel.